John Bell is best known for his portrayal of young Ian in Starz series Outlander, with fans keen to learn more about the actor, including his nationality. Outlander Season 6 concluded recently and was the shortest run yet. Luckily, Starz drama series Outlander is currently filming in Scotland, with the cast and crew hard at work on Season 7 as audience members count down the days until the Droughtlander ends. However, fans are keen for any tidbits about the stars and their lives away from the cameras. John Hunter Bell, known professionally as John Bell, first appeared in Outlander back in 2017 as young Ian, Jamie Fraser's, played by Sam Heughan, nephew and the son of his best friend Ian Murray, Stephen Cree. Over the years, young Ian has become a firm fixture on Outlander after he was rescued by Jamie and Claire, Katrina Balfe, from the clutches of Galis Duncan, Lottie Verbeek, in Season 3. For a spell, young Ian went to live with the Mohawk, and it was only in Season 6 viewers discovered why he returned to Fraser's Ridge. Young Ian's tragic story was explored, including his failed marriage and the loss of a child, which led the Native American tribesmen to send him back to his relatives. The character is starting to integrate back into the ways of life with his family and at Fraser's Ridge, but still holds on to his Mohawk past. Much like his character in the show, Bell is Scottish and was born in Paisley, Scotland on October 20, 1997. Speaking in an Instagram Live Q&A with his fans back in April, Bell, 24, said it was a really amazing experience working with his native co-stars on Season 6 and filming during the coronavirus pandemic. He said, "I mean, just to be able to get people to come during that time and film in the UK together was fabulous, and just share Scotland. Share our culture. They brought their culture. It just incredible." He added, "They are amazing people. I can't wait to be and visit them in Canada too." Addressing young Ian's backstory in Season 6, Bell said, "Those scenes were really important to us, me and Sam. Obviously, working with Sam is fantastic. He's such a generous actor and really was just there with me in those scenes. He's always there with a little word of encouragement, whether that's a little wink. He's always there on your side, so you just immediately feel at ease in those scenes and you can really go to those places." Bell went on to say, "I'm so glad that Ian and Jamie's story has touched so many. It's really beautiful." The star admitted it was difficult at times to learn the Mohawk language for his Outlander role, but said he had a great wealth of knowledge to pull on, as well as elders from the Mohawk Nation to help the cast with pronunciation and translations. He said he loved learning languages but said he found Gaelic harder than Mohawk, explaining, "Gaelic's tough. It's the spelling. I can't do the spelling." Bell started out as a child actor and got into the business at the tender age of 7 when he auditioned for a play in Glasgow. The star made his debut in the Doctor Who episode Utopia in 2007 after winning the role through a Blue Peter competition.
me.